Hey everyone, this is Lee with Keyprint Co. And right now I'm at the ROQ booth and they're doing something super cool. They're printing all the t-shirts for the event tonight live. The process itself is obviously meant for a bit of a larger shop, but it's super cool and I think it's definitely worth everyone at least knowing how it works so that when you are at that point, you know what to get. So right now everything is happening live. They're printing the shirts on the automatic press. Afterwards, it goes straight into the conveyor oven where everything gets cured. Then from there, they take it over to the automatic folding and bagging machine where everything gets done for you automatically. We're talking folding, bagging, and by the time it gets to the other end, it's already labeled and ready to rock. We're gonna show you guys the entire process. We're gonna break it down step by step, and then we're gonna show you guys the actual event. So this machine behind me is the Next automatic press. And what it's doing is it's printing everything that you want on the shirt automatically. So by the time you get your shirt out, it's already completely done.
So this is my favorite part of the process, and it's the mastery of the print based on the decisions that we make. This is where you get to decide things like the pressure of the squeegee or the speed that it goes at. And all of these little decisions combined are what determine the quality of the final print.
All right, we're good to run it. Now let's crank this up. We got 41 minutes to do this job.
With 41 minutes to print the shirts, this is where you're gonna start seeing the value of automatic machines. Because the team already took the time to dial everything in, their primary concern right now is just loading and unloading the shirts. You still wanna keep an eye on things for quality control, but the rest should be smooth sailing.
Prints look good, guys. Prints look great.
As the shirts go around the carousel, they get printed, get flashed, and anything else that needs to be done to them. The beauty of automatic machines is consistency and precision. As soon as the shirts come off the press, they're laid on the conveyor dryer, where the ink cures and becomes permanent at the optimal time and temperature. At the other end, there's someone there to collect the shirts, or they fall into a box and then get sorted. Finally, someone takes those shirts and puts them on this automatic folding and bagging machine. This automates the entire last part of the process, and it's a game changer if you do print-on-demand fulfillment. So now the shirts are folded, bagged, and labeled, which means it's time for us to take these to the event. And first things first, we gotta make sure the band's got their merch. Whenever we print merch for events, we always wanna make sure that we group everything together by size and product type. Because even though you might be able to sift through it quickly at home, when you get to the event, it's gonna be pure chaos.
So this is how the shirt came out, guys, and it looks great. Thank you guys so much for following along, and we'll see you on the next one.
100% of proceeds are going to Altadena Girls, Altadena Rotary, and Music Cares. California!